All right, let's play through My Girl, starting on the key of C. We'll get into it by starting that standard strum on the C chord, vamping our way into the groove. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's verse 1. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day, and when it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Here's the chorus. I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl, my girl, talking about my girl, my girl. Verse 2. So much honey, the bees envy me. I've got a sweeter song than the birds in the trees. Back to the chorus. I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl, my girl, talking about my girl, my girl. Interlude back to C. 2, 3, 4. Here comes the seesaw from C over to F, back to C, over to F. Now the modulation, D minor, G7, E minor or E minor 7 to A7. Verse 3, I don't need no money, fortune, or fame. I've got all the riches, baby, what man can claim. Here's the last chorus. I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl, my girl, talking about my girl, my girl. And on D. Nice work. Come on back, practice with me anytime, especially through that modulation. That key change is really, really fun, but can be a little confusing too. So review anything you need to and enjoy your practice in between. See you next time around. One more quick thing. If this video was helpful to you, I encourage you to consider becoming a member. It's a great way to say thank you, to help keep this channel going, and also to enjoy some extra perks and resources on your musical journey. You can learn more by clicking join below next to the subscribe button, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much.